Next we're going to mix a series of triads. And these triads are built on a complement plus one other color. So in my first triad here, the red and the green are the complements, and yellow is my extra color. Here we go again, red and green and blue is my extra color. Orange and blue and red is my extra color. Orange and blue, yellow is my extra color. Purple and yellow with blue my extra color. Purple and yellow with red my extra color. Okay. There are plenty more triads than I have here, but I would like you to choose a complement and an extra color. And the reason we're going to do this is because our next project, we're going to use a triad to paint our colored object. Okay, so this is pretty important, this section here. All right, so let's mix the red, which is the scarlet, and the alizarin. Okay, put that under here. I'm going to put it under this side too. Okay. Then I need the green, which is just your dark green color. Okay. In this triad here, my extra color, that's not part of the complement, is my yellow. Okay. All right. And then in this case, it is my cobalt blue. Okay. So each triad will have its own feeling. And next I just want you to mix up a couple of those colors. Like between the green and the yellow, I'm going to get a yellow-green, right? Between the red and the green, what am I going to get? I'm going to get more of my neutral, right? Because those are complements. And then I can expand this by adding my red to the yellow, which will give me orange on this side. So you can see how, even though it's only 3 colors, you get a pretty expanded view of a palette. All right, and I'm not going to do all of these. I think you can handle doing these. So here I'm going to mix up my red and green right here, which creates a neutral between those 2 colors. And then my green and my cobalt blue, which will give me like a green-blue, right? And then my red and my blue. Red I've already mixed, and the blue will give me the purple. Okay? So this gives me the sense of what this triad can make. See how different it is from the first triad. All right. Next we're doing the orange-blue combinations, that's the complement, so orange. And then the cobalt blue. And then between those, the orange and the blue, we are going to get our neutral. Here, you can see what that is. All right, in this one, the extra color is the red. So that's again our scarlet alizarin combination. And then if we mix that with the blue, we're obviously going to get a purple in here. All right, and then if I take the orange on this side and put it next to the red, I'm going to get a red-orange on this side. Okay. In this combination, yellow is my extra color. All right. And I'm not going to mix all these. You can mix these too. I want you to mix it out because you want to see which triad you're going to use for our next project. Okay, this is the purple-yellow combinations. Those complements. Now I need my purple. purple, if you remember, it's the alizarin and the cobalt blue. Okay, and then the combination of those is my neutral. Okay. All right, in this triad we have the blue as our extra color. Okay, and in this one, red is our extra color. Okay. And then you mix between these colors, right? So I'm going to obviously get a green in here, right in here, right? Blue and yellow. And I'm obviously going to get an orange in between here. Okay. And then this would obviously expand the purple range, and this would obviously expand the violet-red range. So, but work it out, work out all the colors, do a couple of mixes below each of these, so you get a feel for what you can actually do with each of these triads, so you can make an accurate decision on the next project.